Welcome to Enugu State University of Science and Technology. Today we'll be hosting our 17 rooms. When we got the email from the Millennium Campus Network to co-host this brilliant 17 room initiative in our campus, it was quite exciting and the process has been seamless.
We are bringing together student leaders with visions and like minds to gather and discuss solutions with regards to the sustainable development.
So it's a one-of-a-kind opportunity to be a part of this.
It's purely about interest. We get to pick rooms that we are most passionate about.
Implementation is simple. For the 17 rooms, we made use of classes and laboratories, and afterwards we conveyed and shared ideas, and there was room for room exchange.
Interconnectedness of these SDGs make it possible to walk into a room and appreciate the work done in that room.
My room, for example, SDG 4, I've come up with brilliant solutions.
This is a huge proof of students using their outstanding, innovative and creative skills in solving solutions of societal developmental challenges.
We discussed that actionable steps we can take towards ensuring SDG 1 is empowerment programs.
We are trying to sensitize students to tell them the need of them engaging in farming.
We are here to deliberate and look into this neglected issues regarding our well-being.
One of the ones that we cited was updating the curriculum that we use in our schools.
Educate them and let them know from the school curriculums, so if they know this, they grow up and understand that everybody have equal rights.
Whereby we'll be educating the people on clean water and sanitation. We cannot achieve this sustainable development without talking about finances or without talking about manpower.
The world is changing and we are now experiencing floods in the desert.
17 rooms, 17 goals, 17 connections. Shout out to Millennium Campus Network for the opportunity to engage intellectually.
Hi, I'm Xiaoqing, one of the campus directors at NYU Shanghai. From organizing to participating in our 17-room project, the Social Impact Forum, the whole process makes me learn a lot. Our different panelists' stories of making social impact in different roles in different areas makes me realize more that every little step matters and every little idea matters. We all have the ability and opportunity to use our efforts to advance the SDGs. Let's just take action from now on. We can all make a difference.
One key lesson from the Social Impact Forum was the importance of teamwork. Working with my peers, we bridged the gap between academic theory and real-world application, driving meaningful social impact together. As for the Sustainable Development Goals, doing my project on migrant children's education has enriched my understanding of that slogan, inclusive and equitable quality education. I find it truly worthwhile to approach with empathy and commitment.
Hearing about so many stories from our panelists, our collaborating NGO workers, and my peers, I learned that implementing SDG really starts with small. People who eventually make a great social impact often spend a long time building up their skills, through which they learn about what the world really needs and what themselves are really passionate about. Therefore, start by volunteering, start by communicating ideas, start by listening to stories, start by small efforts that help promote SDGs in the community.
I'm a 500 level student of the Faculty of Law at the University of Ilorin. I'm also a Millennium Campus Fellowship alumnus of the class of 2023. And I was the co-lead for today's 17 rooms advocacy for the Sustainable Development Goals.
I'm the campus director of the Millennium Fellows 2023. We had a lot of interactive sections on the Sustainable Development Goals, SDG 1 all through to SDG 13, and one key point was that we should be enlightened on all of the SDGs. There should be laws, implementation of the SDGs.
Necessary for students to be able to come together, share insights and propose solutions for problems that we face within our communities. We're able to identify problems concerning good health and well-being, quality education and climate action,
I am a 500 level law student and also a student entrepreneur. I bake. I attended the program today with hopes of knowing more about sustainable development, and I did. I picked an interest in SDG 11, which is basically centering on building sustainable communities. Being an entrepreneur myself, I've seen that people essentially need to integrate biodegradable materials into consumption. It's something that resonates with me because I know that by the time this is implemented, it will help better my community. So I was able to meet with like-minded people today. We had discussions essentially about how to better our environment. We made a pact or a promise that we were going to implement it by July. So I'm looking forward to that.
Together with my dedicated team, we have embarked on a journey to civilate 70 rooms within the walls of our college. Each group dedicated to a specific room and its goals aim to tackle pressing societal challenges. We believe collaboration is the key to crafting a brighter future. Hello, my name is Gemmachu Kabede, and my team is working on a project entitled Empowering Youth for Community Health Impact, addressing SDGs 3, 4, 5, and 17.
So our goal is to train students from 20 different high schools located within a 400-kilometer radius of the capital city of Ethiopia, fostering 40 dedicated student leaders supported by 20 mentors, as well as empowering at least 4,000 youth ambassadors to combat problems such as early marriage, female genital cutting, substance abuse, and gender inequality, while simultaneously raising awareness on issues such as mental health, promoting female education, as well as wise use of technology within the community.
Hello, my name is Sita Tilawan, and my team is working on a project known as Equal Access Initiative, addressing SDGs 5 and 10. Our goal is to promote equal access to education in about 10 high schools around Miangseng Medical College, as well as to promote equal access to mental health care for postpartum mothers, to address postpartum depression by training 13 midwives in about 10 healthcare centers in Addis Ababa by December 2024.
My name is Reddy Daraji, and my team is working on a project entitled Clean and Green. So we will address SDG 11, 13, and 15. By January 2025, our goal is to address climate change through promoting waste management and recycling in 10 educational centers, and also rejuvenating existing green spaces by organizing at least 2 or more community-based tree planting programs.
My name is Samuel Orku. Our team works on a project which is entitled Feeding Hands from Mothers. We work on the SDG AIDS by October 1, 2024, enabling 20 financially unprivileged mothers who are between 20 and 45 to be workers and making them generate income which can significantly contribute to the household's income.
We are proud to witness the transformative journeys of our students, like our Millennium Fellows, and their commitment to build a brighter future for our community as well as Africa. Thank you.